Which one do I need the most, Amethyst? Which card do I need the most? The one that's under your paw? This one? Which one was it? Show me which one you picked for the internet. That one. Yup. You picked that one. You think you can get in the treat bag? Hmm? Which one do I need the most? The one in the middle? Which one did you pick? The one in the middle? Mew. Which one do I need the most? The one on the right? Which one was it? Which one was it? Show me. Come boop it. Show me. Which one was the one that you picked? You were just looking at the treats. Which one? Which one was it? This one? Here, go touch it with your nose so the camera can see. I saw you sniff at it. Ugh. She said the one on the right, and it's her right, so it's this. Because this is my right, and this is her right. Show me again. Show me again which one you picked. Show me again, and I'll give you another treat. There. She touched it with her chin this time. Good job. She picked Judgment, the Magician, and wait, nope, she didn't. I got them all mixed up. She picked the Magician, Strength, and Ace of Wands for me.